DBaca maker here, and this video, ooh, it looks like I got something sticking out the top of my head. This video is about my 750 subscriber giveaway, and I'm going to be announcing the rules, but I'm also doing an unboxing. See, last Thursday, as of the date that I published this, Troy and Eli over at Bar Run Forge did a demonstration of just goofing off, making a halberd out of 2 railroad spikes. And then they made that a challenge. And I was not going to participate because I didn't have any railroad spikes. Well, James at the Sprinkled Donut Forge just fixed that for me. So, let's get to opening. His package arrived like this. This is Fort Knox. Like I said, I know what this is because James told me he was sending it to me. And we're starting off, though, with Christmas in April. Because he sent me, and I can smell it out here already, coal. He sent me a tiny little thing of coal. It's shiny. It's shiny. Alright, so I get to try that out. This is going to go into that. Over there. And at the very least, I have Christmas gifts for the next 6 years. Thank you very much. He gives me the business cards with every mailer. And now we pull out what in the world? Bubble wrap. He just put them in there with the bubble wrap. He gave me a number 2 Ticonderoga pencils. I'll just slip those in here for now. He sent me some 3/8" rivets. Oh, look at those beauties. So now I no longer have really that much of an excuse not to rivet some tongs together. These are going to go back into their little wrap and into my Blacksmith tool supplies, which is right behind me here. You'll be seeing it in a little bit. And finally, some railroad spikes that James had gotten from Mr. Rob Robinette. He sent them over. They're a little bit peaky, but they will do the job. I've got 2, 4, 6 of them here, so I have 3 chances to mess this halberd up. So now, these are, of course, going to be used. At least 2 of these are going to be used for the Bar Run Forge. Make a halberd or railroad spike halberd challenge. Thank you very much, James. I just love the Smith family. You know? All right. So I'm going to clean these up a tad. These are looking like they are the standard MC railroad spikes, and that'll be fantastic. Now, in addition to the spikes, recently Rob over at Granddad's Forge sent out a bunch of stickers to members of the fam. This is one of them that came to me. The other one is already on my truck. You'll see that in a second. Anyway, so this is going to be a bit of an interesting giveaway. You remember that I was going to be giving away the hand-carved Roubo-style phone or notepad stand, whatever kind of stand you wanted. And I still am. But this Make a Halberd challenge is not just, hey, look what I can make. It is actually, they're going to be judging it as a competition, and the best of the halberds that are made by the competitors gets sent to Troy over at Bar Run Forge, and is going to be part of his 500 or hopefully 1,000 subscriber extravaganza, his giveaway. So if I do a good enough job on this halberd, I'm going to be sending it to Troy, hopefully if it passes muster. And you might have a chance to win the halberd from Troy. But to do that, you have to be a subscriber to Bar Run Forge. The link is in the description below. And we really want to get him not just past 500, but, you know, up to 1,000, if that would be great. You know? He does more than just blacksmithing. He also talks about his farming and his homesteading and things like that, although it's primarily blacksmithing on the channel. But he's a great guy. Very generous with his knowledge, very generous in his spirit. So if you haven't subscribed to Bar Run Forge, link in the description below, go ahead, head over there, and click on subscribe. And ring the notification bell. Let's get his numbers up. He's got really good content, and it's really worth watching. And then come back and tell me that you have subscribed to him. And that you want my little gift, my hand-carved Roubo-style phone stand. And I won't be responding to any of the comments. I will be tallying the comments and getting them ready for selection. So I found that in a lot of the random number generator or comment selection generators, that extra comments from me get counted in, and then I have to remove those. It just throws things off. So, in 1 week's time from today, today is Monday, April because I just haven't had a chance to refer to the date today. So next Monday, I'm going to be doing the video. It's not going to be live. Can't live stream yet. Haven't figured out the technology. But I will be selecting the winner of my Roubo-style. Remember, it's carved out of one piece of wood. Roubo-style phone stand. And hopefully by then I will also have the halberd video ready. Thank you, James. Thank you, Troy. And remember, the Blacksmith Family Tree, the forging a leaf for the Blacksmith Family Tree is still going on. It's an ongoing project. It's not stopping. And the contributions have slowed. So let's, if you're interested in that, and you're west of the Rockies, contact me. I will be the person that you're going to send it to. I still have a few here that I just have to send on once the tree gets built, and then we'll all be set up. Meanwhile, there's a book that's been going around too, a blacksmith's tome, as it were, that has our touch marks in it. And eventually it's going to come to me, and then I'll remind you again. So, again, subscribe to Troy's channel, Bar Run Forge. And there are other channels to subscribe to there, too. I think Eli's got his channel up now. Tell me you've subscribed. Tell me you want the item. And remember that the Blacksmith Family Tree is still going. Hashtag Blacksmith Family Tree. Thank you all. Have a great day.